Can't install virtual interpreter in PyCharm in Linux. When I try to add virtualenv as an interpreter in PyCharm community the 2nd of January 2018 in ubuntu 18.04, I get the following error. Modular not found error, no module named distutils.core. How can I solve this?
I had to install it. This was fresh Ubuntu 18.04 install, obviously, without this needed package. After that I restarted PyCharm and creating virtual project interpreter was successful.
If @voyat's answer did not work, it did not work for me, then try this. Run this command and you should be able to install the packaging tools in PyCharm. It's Python 3 pip, not Python pip if you are using the Python 3 interpreter. This URL.
Neither @voyat and @hercule worked for me since I had already installed those packages. Uninstalling and reinstalling didn't solve the issue as well. I just upgraded my system to Ubuntu 19.10 and I noticed that they had upgraded the Python interpreter to 3.7. PyCharm however was generating the venv interpreter base to its previous one, Python 3.6. By changing the base interpreter from new interpreter block I solved this issue.
Actually, @hercule solution solved the issue. It is because, by default, Ubuntu comes with Python 2.7 and Python 3.x version. And if you have installed pip using, we'll install pip in Python 2.7 folder. So you need to specify Python 3 pip to install pip in Python 3 folder along with other util packages.
Had the same issue with an installation of PyCharm March 2nd 2019, edu, build #p193.6494.27, build on February 5th 2020 runtime version, 11.0.5 plus 10b520.38 and 64 VM, opened 64-bit server VM by JetBrains SRO Linux 5.3.0 7629 generic. Installed on pop !_os 19.10 with Python 3.7.2 installed. I did use JetBrains Toolbox to install PyCharm edu. JetBrains Toolbox was installed using a script suggested by JetBrains PyCharm download page. Running. Sudo apt install Python 3 pip. Solved the problem instantly, didn't even have to restart PyCharm, just created a new project and no issue setting up the virtual environment. I did install Python pip after updating to Python 3.7.2 before having PyCharm installed. So same as running Python 3.7 in a terminal without changing the alias to 3 after Python matters.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.